So I've come to make a video where I compare these stickers I just got from the awesome guy who is known on YouTube as Custom Trackmaster, and these wonderful 3D faces from Faces of Trouble on Shapeways. So let's start with similarities. Now I'm going to add a new face on this boy. So these are both trolls and truck faces, both really amazing. Now this is made, I think, for more of HO models, and these are, well, totally Trackmaster. These are way cheaper and you get a lot more. But if you're going for a show accuracy, or you don't use a like Trackmaster, then these are pretty good. These look like things Tommy would make, and these pretty good. Although these do come colored and ready to stick on, and these you need to paint up, and they're very small and, you know, rough from 3D printing. So if you're just going to do like one truck, you're going for like 1 to 5 trucks, you're going for show accuracy, and get these. If you just like the Tommy aesthetic of these, or you don't want all the hassle of this, just use these. Right, FaceTime. Alright, here's the sticker I'm using. I was going to use this, but, you know, it might be hard to fit with the lines, and I actually decided to go with this face, and here we go. Voila! Shout to Faces of Trouble and Custom Trackmaster. Custom Trackmaster is on YouTube, and you can purchase these through his links on his YouTube channel. And these are by Faces of Trouble on Shapeways. Search them up on Google, like Faces of Trouble Shapeways. Go and buy it. And look at this man.